Welcome to this Zepl tutorial, How to Import a Notebook. You may have notebooks that you've created in Jupyter or Zeppelin, and you'll be excited to see how easy it is to import and reuse your work in Zepl. First, on the left-hand side of the screen, click Add New. Then, click the Import Notebook button. You can import a notebook either through a URL or by uploading from your laptop or server. We have a sample notebook that you can upload. Just look in the notes below this YouTube video, cut and paste the URL, and click Apply. And here you are in our sample notebook. It's that easy. Just remember, when you upload your own notebook, Zepl may use different environment variables and imported libraries than your current environment, so you may need to make some small configuration tweaks. But now you're ready to start sharing and collaborating on your notebook code and results.